guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing one of my favorite videos that I film on my channel, and that is my Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service. So I'm not going to say subscription service because you literally can pick when you get a box and when you don't. So it's not something to where it's reoccurring every single month. Basically you sign up for Fix. You sign up to be styled when you want to. So basically you're gonna have a personal stylist and you're gonna put requests that you want your stylist to pick out for you, and you fill out a survey in the beginning and you let them know your height, your weight, colors that you prefer, your style preferences. You can link your Pinterest boards, and you can also request specific items. So if there's anything in my fix that you like, then you can go ahead and request that item from your stylist. So I think it's really great that they can tailor to you. And honestly, guys, I really do prefer this because a lot of times it's really hard for me to get out and go shopping because I hate shopping with the kids. I love my kids, but I hate shopping for clothes with the kids because it's a pain in the butt to try things on with them in the dressing room, and I don't like buying things, not trying it on, because there's a good chance that I'm not going to keep it, and then that's going to create another errand for me to have to go and return it. And my life is so busy that 9 times out of 10 I just won't return it because I won't have the time to do it. So I love that Stitch Fix offers this type of service. So basically the styling fee is $20, and that $20 credit will go towards anything inside your box. And they currently have a new program going on to where you pay a one-time fee of $49 for the year, and then you can get unlimited fixes without them charging you the Stitch Fix styling fee. So that is awesome. So thanks, Nicole, for letting us know about that. So if you guys are at all interested in signing up, I'll have a link below. Anytime you use my referral link, then I do get Stitch Fix credit, which helps me with my fixes. So thank you guys so much. If you guys have used my referral link, it definitely helps me out, and it's such a treat to be able to, you know, get boxes and use those referral credits. So I thank you guys so much because a ton of you guys have been using my link lately. So I really, really appreciate that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. So I requested some maternity dresses, I requested a bag, and I requested some maternity jeans. So I'm really excited to see what they styled for me. So first thing that comes is a mailing envelope with a label. So they do the work for you. They send you a mailing envelope as well as the return envelope. So in every Stitch Fix box, you're going to get a price sheet, and the price sheet is going to go through everything that is in your box and the prices. And it looks like they have something new, so a fix with something extra. So you can request undergarments with your fixes as well. So you can request tights, bras, socks, underwear, shapewear, camis, and bralettes. So if you guys want to add some undergarments to your fixes, you absolutely can do that. So also included in the box are styling cards. So everything that is in the box, they show you how you can go ahead and style it. So this is from Jan. Jan did style me, so good. Hi Gina, happy fix day. Hope you're feeling well. I'm back from my maternity leave. So my stylist was on maternity leave. So she kind of knows how to dress a baby bump. So I appreciate that. She's excited to style me with new maternity pieces. I mentioned I wanted jeans, so she included jeans. So basically they leave a little note, and then she gives suggestions on how you can style things. And then you could always refer to the style cards right here. So I'm just gonna hop into it. So I did request a handbag, so I'm excited about this. So it is a fossil bag, which is cool. And it's a crossbody bag. It is black and white with like a camel colored detail. So it's a crossbody bag. So I think this is actually a really nice size for a crossbody. So this is cool. Alright. And then inside we have it's a maternity dress. I think I'm actually really gonna like this. This is the 9 Britain Mila maternity v-neck fitted dress, and the material is really nice. So it is a black and white stripe short sleeve dress. So I think that's going to be really cute with a denim jacket actually. And then the next thing in here is the La Appella gray maternity top. So it is the La Appella maternity Toby maternity short sleeve lace detail knit top, and this is in light gray. So there is a nice like lace material, and then it is just a gray short sleeve top. So that's cool. And then the next thing in here looks like it's a dress. So this is the, oh, this is nice. This is a maxi maternity dress. So this is a really fun print. I really like that actually. And this is also from La Appella. It's the Carlita knit maternity dress, maxi dress in dark pink. So this is actually really cute. And this is something that I can wear after maternity as well, because there are no like ruchings on the side. So I could definitely wear this after pregnancy, which is great. And then she enclosed some denim jeans. So this is the 1822 denim Glen maternity distressed cuff jeans in indigo. And there's some distressing, and there's also some cuffing at the bottom. So I think there's some really nice, cute, functional pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try everything on, and then I'll go ahead and go into pricing with you guys. And then you guys can help me decide what I should go ahead and keep from this box. So I'm excited to try all this stuff on. Okay, so this is the maternity top right here. It fits really, really good. Ruching at the end right here. I really like the lace detailing. And then I went ahead and just paired it with this little crossbody bag, because I feel like this could make like a complete outfit here. And the jeans fit so nice. I am loving the fit of these jeans a lot. And they have a nice cut off detail, which I like that they're kind of capri detailed. So I think that this is actually a really cute and comfy, casual outfit to wear. So I'm thumbs up on this outfit. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so this is the next item. So this is the t-shirt dress, and honestly, not liking it because I don't really think, like, first of all, you can see like my underwear lines. I think it might actually be just a size too small for me. So maybe if this was in a large, maybe it would fit me better. But I don't really think that this, I mean, you know, it accentuates how large my stomach is, but I'm really not thinking that this is something that flatters my body. I love like that. I love the idea of it. But I don't necessarily love the piece itself. So don't think I will be keeping that. But I typically struggle when it comes to t-shirt dresses like this. So I'm not surprised that this one doesn't fit me quite like I would like it. So yeah, so this is the t-shirt dress. This is the t-shirt dress. I'm not sure. Not sure. However, this dress is a winner. Oh my gosh, I love this dress so much. I think this is so flattering. It is comfortable. The material is light. I have a baby shower coming up, so this would be a perfect little baby shower dress to wear with some like wedges or some sandals. But definitely it's something that I would be able to wear after pregnancy too. And my husband and I, we're off to Vegas next weekend, so this could be a fun little dress to walk around in as well. So I think that this is a really flattering and comfortable maxi maternity dress. So this is definitely something that I feel like I definitely will be keeping. Okay guys, so now we can go over the pricing of everything. So the maternity dress that I'm wearing right now is $74. So I think that that's not bad for a maxi dress, because it's a really nice maxi dress. So I think that's pretty good. The Fossil crossbody bag is $78. Right now it's cute, but I'm not sure. I'm really not in love with this, so I don't think that that's something I'm going to be keeping. And then the next item was the t-shirt dress, the fitted dress. So this was the 9 Britain t-shirt dress, is in $68. This is something that I do not think I'm going to be keeping, so I'm most likely going to be returning this. So my thoughts right now, the Fossil bag and the t-shirt dress, I think I'm definitely going to be returning. The lapella tee, the lace tee, I think that this is something I'm actually going to keep. So this is in $48 right here. So I think this is a really cute top, and I can make a lot of different outfits with this. So this is a nice basic piece to be pairing with multiple outfits. So I think that that's definitely something I'm going to keep. And then the last item were the 1822 denim. So these are $58, and that is actually a really fair price when it comes to maternity jeans. So 58 bucks for comfortable maternity jeans is actually a really good deal. So I definitely think that the jeans are something I'm going to be keeping as well. So if I was to keep everything, my total would be, well, if I went ahead and kept everything, they have a 5 for 5 deal. So if you keep everything in your Stitch Fix box, then you're going to get 25% off of everything. So the total with everything is $326, and the discount would take off $81.50. So I would be paying $244.50 for everything. So I'm not in love with the dress. I'm not in love with the Fossil bag. So I'll have to calculate how much everything would be if I sent those back. But as of right now, I'm thinking of keeping the maxi dress as well as the jeans and the top. So please let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should be keeping, because you guys are definitely helpful when it comes to helping me decide what to keep from Stitch Fix. So I also want to thank anyone who has actually used my referral credit to help me get some of these goodies, because I do have enough referral credit to get a few pieces from this fix. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm really thankful for that. So thank you guys so much for using my referral link. And if you are new to Stitch Fix and you're interested in trying it out, I will have my link below. So if you guys want to sign up and get your own fix, it is so much fun to get a box of clothes delivered to your door and have a stylist to help style you and just help you out in that department if that's something that you need help with. And they also have men's boxes too. So if you want to get your husband involved, or your brother, or your boyfriend, whoever you want to get involved with this, if you want to get them involved with Stitch Fix, they absolutely could go ahead and get a box as well. So as always, please help me decide what item I should be keeping, because at this point I'm not sure about the two that I was unsure about. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.